Alright guys, so I'm going to Universal Studio next week, and I just wanted to use my GoPro a lot because it's a lot lighter. And so I was trying to find a way to where I can use my GoPro more often, but have that great image stabilization. I know GoPro comes with great image stabilization already, but the issue is it's digital image stabilization. And so I was trying to figure out, hey, should I get like a gimbal of some sort to see if I can attach to my GoPro and then just turn it on quickly and do some great recording. So in this episode, what I want to do is I want to use this fairly cheap gimbal. This thing cost me actually $80. I think on Amazon it's about $100. See if I can use this gimbal and see how quick it is for me to just whip it out, hit record, and see if I get some great image stabilization with it. If you guys have been watching this channel, you know we love gimbals. So this is the review of the Hohem iSteady Pro for the GoPro. Roll the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. Let's do some unboxing. I mean, we're in a car. I don't have any great lighting or anything like that. So, oh, you know what? Actually, lighting. Okay, great. Now we get some great lighting on my face. Now we're gonna do some unboxing, okay? Oh, you know what? I don't have my tool, like my knife to open the box. This is what you call professional unboxing here, guys, okay? This is how we do it. In the car. Impromptu unboxing. I actually have not read about this at all. Ooh, mixed great lighting. Look at this. Oh, the reflection. Yeah. Okay, so first off, let's take a look at this. Check this out, okay? It's pretty good. Look at this. This is fairly slim. I think I can drop this in my backpack and feel okay with it. It's pretty good. All right. Instruction booklet. Yep. We're gonna need that. Do not eat gel. Leave that to the kids. Check this out, huh? Very nice, Hohem. The usual stuff. Mini USB, whatever. I'm sure that's to charge it. Now the little plastic unwrapped ASMR sound. Okay, I think the AC kind of ruined it, but we'll put it back and try it again. Look at this baby real quick. Very nice. Got a little tripod mount there. I like that. Got one over here as well. This is perfect because you can attach a bunch of stuff to this. Maybe your phone out here. So there's a little adapters that I've seen. I mean, the DJI makes them as well, but you can attach them right here. You can attach your phone right next to it. But with this, I have the GoPro 6, so it has a screen, so I don't really care about it. No, this light is really bright, by the way. It's killing my eyes. So I'm gonna drop my GoPro in here, and we're gonna go out and we're gonna brave the 110-degree heat to give you guys some great footage. Let's go. Okay, so let me explain something about the GoPro 6, okay? 4K 60 frames per second, there are no image stabilization in the GoPro when you go up that high. You have to go down to 4K at 30 frames. And so really the GoPro is unusable at 4K 60 frames per second. But now that I have a gimbal for it, I can go all the way up to 60 frames per second 4K and use the gimbal to do any image stabilization. So I'm gonna do that now. All right guys, so this is selfie mode. You can give this thing a try, see if it works. Well, really not selfie mode because it really didn't turn. I turned it. So I don't know if you want to call it selfie mode, but anyway, I want to try vlogging style to see if it works, okay? We walk through the woods right here. I mean, there's a lot of leaves on the ground. It's crackling, so I don't know if you can hear them or not. This is the Gopro Sound right now. We're gonna see if we can walk through here you know, walking through leaves, which is beautiful by the way. Looks like fall here. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the camera movement is a bit soft, meaning that when I twist my wrist, it's not moving as fast as I want it to. So it has a little issue with following me. So I may need to do some adjustment with how fast this moves. Most gimbal, they have like a sports mode or regular mode. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna record Mr. 2 to see if we can get some cinematic shot. I mean, it's beautiful in here. You know, it's not quiet, no one's doing drugs, you know. So I think we got a good spot right here. So we're gonna try to get some cinematic shots. All right guys, so I don't think we're gonna do any more recording since my GoPro overheat. I'm gonna have to think about that whole 4K 60 frames per second thing. But right now we're gonna go back and we're gonna see if we can put it together. So hope you guys like what we've shot so far.